Hi, this video shows how to create at runtime at a website or Filedialog with different file types. So in this case, for example, images, JPEG, PNG, bitmaps, GIFs. So what we need therefore, and this one is for videos, MP4, and then for different files like doc, dot, so these are Office files, Microsoft Office files, CSS, and so on. So how does it happen, or how does it work? For this case, we need the following. What you see here is my Visual Studio, my site where I have created that code. And what we do here is we need first we need a button or link, and inside the link we have the on-click event, which opens a code, a JavaScript code, and the video shows how to run that stuff at runtime to differ that. So Filedialog is always in a form element. So this is a form method post, ink type multipart front/form data, and then we have here an input type file. That's the key element, and you see there's a accept and nothing, and this accepted as with nothing or all is the definition which extensions will be here as a pre-default selection. But you also always have to do the server code behind the server side a second check, but it's a pre-filtering. So at runtime I do the following. I have here a code which is a function file. So this file is article_edit.js, and inside there you need a function, in this case is editor_open Filedialog_images, and then the round brackets and curly brackets. And then I say in here open a Filedialog with the first parameter is images, and the second parameter is the types which I need, extensions. So this is dot, not a star dot, so it's simply a dot JPEG, and then a comma, separated all words with commas, and dot is the extension, and you don't have to type. It will not work with a star, with a wildcard. And then what we do is I have here 3 Filedialogs, one for images, one for videos, one for files, and I always say there's a first parameter and a second parameter. And then I have here the Filedialog itself. So all what I did here is I said, okay, there's a S file type. So this is my name, which I need for other stuff, and then comma, and then S extension. You don't write a variable or string or something like this in JavaScript. And then you say, give me the element, get document, get element by ID, and then these files, input files. So this is this element. You see, that's the ID, that's the input file. All that stuff is the document at runtime, and I'm looking for this ID. And whenever I get it, then I say, okay, set the attributes. So this is my input file dot attributes, and then the this type of bracket and edge brackets, or I don't know how they cost. And inside there's the special attribute which is called accept here, and two signs of this one, apostrophes, and then set the value there. So attributes, the name, accept, and then set the values, and I take the parameter from there. And then I also do a input files click, so this opens the dialog, but you're not able to set a breakpoint on that point, because the breakpoint will stop the switching to the to your code. So when we have this one again, when I open it, when I click on there, it looks for the file type here in the background. In the background, the file type is here. That's also important. You see, this is the visibility is hidden height is 0 and width is 0, so it works even if it's hidden. So this is hidden, height and and width is 0. So this works with all those types. And as soon as you have clicked that stuff, this code will work, and you see there's a onChange event here inside the input. So there's a onChange, and as soon as you have changed, you selected all your files, then it starts the second function.